Hey, what is up guys, how's it up here? Yes, I'm posting after a really long while, but trust me, this one is special. Yes, it is special because this right here is the official invite for the launch of the OnePlus 7. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So let's see what's inside. I'll just pull it off. Let's see it. Well, last year the 60, the ticket was really fancy. Let's see what OnePlus has for us this time around. I'll just throw that away. Okay. So I guess it's the same metal ticket that they gave last time for OnePlus 6 launch. Let's find out. Oh, okay. OnePlus 2019 launch event. Oh, okay, this is something else. I don't really know what this is. Okay, that's empty. So yeah, this is what it is. Whoa, okay. That is fancy. You have to check this out. Okay, this is cool. Okay, I guess this is it. This is all we get. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the official OnePlus launch event invitation for 2019. I feel really lucky to have received this. And yeah, this is what the card says. Pause the video and read it if you really want to. And that looks really good. Okay, so I don't really know what to fill this blank with. If you know what to fill it with, please do comment down below and let me know. What should I put in here? Like, I don't really know. I don't know what to put in there. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Well, this video is so special. I want to do a BTS and show you what my setup looks like. So yeah, this is literally where I shoot all of my videos, and all of my videos on my channel go live from this place. So yeah, this is the unboxing setup. Yeah, I don't have a tripod. I'm too poor for that. So yeah, this is my setup, and look at that. Look at the box right there. So yeah, this is it. This is my setup. I just want to show it to you guys. I don't know why, but I just want to show it to you. So yeah, bye bye. See you later.